Well, what is up, guys? I'm sure you could tell by the title of this video where I am today. That's right, I'm at the same stretch of water I was at last time, and I'm sure you know why. Man, the bite was on fire. We had an incredible fishing trip last time, guys, and I had to see if I could do it again. So here we are. We're going to give it a whirl. So y'all sit back and let's see how this goes. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. What do we got? Nice sunfish. Yes. That's a good one. Man, he was hooked good too. There we go. Check that out, guys. That's a nice fish right there. Yeah, boy. All right, back he goes. Fish on, guys. Fish on. It's pretty decent. Fish on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy. Ha ha. Looky there, guys. Yes. That is a nice little smallie. Probably should have used the net for him, but it's all right. We got him in. Yeah. Nice smallmouth. Yeah, boy. Not a bad fish at all, guys. All right, let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Hey, got ourselves a nice green sunfish. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice fish, guys. I ain't caught a green sunfish that big in a long time. And you look how beautiful these things are. Their colors are absolutely gorgeous. That's a nice fish, y'all. Back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Oh yeah, got a nice sunfish, y'all. Nice one. And he's peeing all over me. Hey, go on him, look at it. Peed all over me. But still a pretty good fish, y'all. Back he goes. Fish one. Pretty good fish, guys. Pretty good fish. Yeah, boy. Uh-oh, in the boat. In the boat. We got to run away. We got to run away. Hold on, y'all. There he is. Yeah. That ain't a bad little fish. Sorry about the noise. Log truck just went by. Pretty little smallie. Yeah. All right. Yeah, boy. Not a bad fish. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. All right, y'all. Let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Fish on. Fish on. Good fish, y'all. Good fish. Good fish. Let's get the net. Let's get the net. Good fish. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Let's see what we got here, guys. This is a nice fish. All right. Let's see what we got, y'all. Yeah. Easy. Looky there, y'all. Yeah, nice fish. That is a nice fish, guys. Yeah. Nothing at all wrong with that. Yes. Good fish. Thank you, Lord. All right, guys, let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Fish on. Fish on. What we got here, y'all? Feels pretty decent. Oh, yeah, nice sunfish. Yeah. Not a thing wrong with this fish, guys. Look at that. Yeah. That is a nice sunfish, guys. Yeah. All right, let's get him back in the water. Fish on. Fish on. Good fish, guys. Good fish. Let's get the net ready. Yeah. All right. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah. There he is, y'all. Yeah. That is a nice little smallie, guys. Yes. Not bad at all. All right, let's get him back in the water. We had him out long enough. Y'all, you got to check this fish out. It's laying right here. I'm going to try to get my underwater camera and get some footage of it. It's a sucker, I think, but I have never seen them with this kind of color combination on them before. I get this footage, I'll show it to y'all, and you tell me in the comments what the heck that thing is. The closest thing I've ever seen that looked like that was when I was a kid. We had an aquarium, and we put these little things in there to suck the algae out, and they were called plecostomuses. That's the closest thing I've ever seen to that. We have suckers around here, but they don't look like that, y'all. I'm just not sure what that was. So tell me what you think that was in the comments. Fishing one, guys. Nice fish. Good fish, y'all. Good fish. Good fish. Skip the net. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't get him in there. There it is. Woo! Yeah! Nice fish. Nice fish. He did not want to go in the net. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got here. There it is, guys. Yeah, that's a good one. Man, he swallowed it deep, too. Hang on, y'all. Let me get the lure out of his mouth. Well, there it is, guys. Yeah! Nice smallie. That's a good fish, y'all. Yeah! Not bad at all. Pretty fish, guys. All right, let's get him back in the water. We had him out long enough. Fish on, guys. Good fish. Good fish. Nice fish, y'all. Good fish. Good fish. Let's get the net. Get the net. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Good fish. Good fish. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. Looky there. Largemouth. What do you think about that? Look at that. Guys, I think that's only... I fish this certain river a lot. Now, maybe not this stretch, but this certain river, I fish a lot. And I think that's only the second largemouth I've ever caught in this river. Woo! Thank you, Lord. That's a nice fish, guys. All right, y'all. Let's get him back in the water. We had him out long enough. Fish on. Good fish, guys. Good fish. Good fish, y'all. Nice fish. Let's get the net. Get the net. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Good fish. Yeah, boy. Nice fish, guys. There it is. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Nothing at all wrong with that. Beautiful fish. Yes. Yeah, y'all, there ain't a thing wrong with that fish. That is a nice little smallmouth right there, guys. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all, let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Fish on. Big fish, guys. Big fish. Oh, yeah. It's a good one. It's a good fish, y'all. Let me get the net. Oh, no. Let me get the net. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Good fish. Good fish, y'all. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it hooks deep. Hang on, guys. Let me get it out of here. There he is, guys. Yes! Yes! What a nice smallie. Beautiful fish, y'all. Got some leeches on his tail. But what a beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful smallmouth. Yeah! Yeah, boy, guys. That's a good one right there. Not a thing wrong with that fish. Yeah! Thank you, Lord. All right, guys, let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Well, y'all, we're back to takeout now, but just another awesome run down this stretch of water, guys. It definitely wasn't a fluke last time. We let them have it again, y'all. We caught lots of fish. We caught a variety of fish. We caught different sizes. We caught some nice smallies, some really super sunfish. Guys, it was just an awesome run down the river. So if y'all like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys next time.